Before deleting your Apple ID forever, try this safer deactivation method. Open a browser on your phone or computer. Search for privacy.apple.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see a few privacy options. Scroll down and look for Deactivate your account. Click on Request to deactivate. This option will temporarily pause your Apple ID without deleting your data permanently. Apple will ask why you want to deactivate your account. Choose a reason and continue. Apple will show you what will happen after deactivation. Read everything carefully and click Continue. Agree to the terms and conditions. You'll receive a deactivation reference code. Write it down and save it. Click Continue. Enter the code here to confirm. After entering, click on Continue. Finally, tab on Deactivate Account. Apple will then process your request. It may take up to 7 days, and they'll email you once it's done. And that's it. For more tips and tricks, subscribe.